If you're thinking about getting a new IKEA sofa and need help with your purchase decision, this is the right video for you. In today's video, we have the stylish Äpplaryd, which comes in several variants, colors, and fabric materials. This sofa does not only look chic, but is also comfortable enough to be sat on for long hours. Its poofy and bouncy cushions make it nice for you to plop down at any time. The love seat is pretty spacious for 2 people, but there's also a 3-seater and 4-seater with chase lounges if you're looking for a wider seating space. If you're about to hit your nearest IKEA store, here's a pro tip. If you love a particular sofa model, but not the fabrics and colors it comes in, you can actually buy the sofa naked or unslip-covered. And to create the look that you want, consider having a custom slipcover made for your new sofa. To find out how, check out the links below.